Over 41,000 properties in the state of New Jersey with notice of list pendency or notice of sale. It's an incredible market. One of the unique things about New Jersey market is that you have about 8 month cycle on foreclosure process, which is incredible. Let me walk you through it. For this, we're going to go to leadcruncher.com. Log into your account at leadcruncher.com. We are going to select the pre-foreclosure data. At pre-foreclosure data, right now, there are 1.3 million records of properties here. If I select the state of New Jersey, they are going to be 41,000 records of property, just to show you how easy this is. And then I'll give you some other tips on how you can analyze every county on the state of New Jersey. Let me walk you through it. So 41,000 records of properties. And let's say we want to select Burlington. We are going to give a name to our search, Burlington Pre-Foreclosures. And we select every zip code in Burlington County. There are 34 zip codes. Next, we are going to choose between properties that are owned by investors or owned by individuals. I would choose individual owns because if you want to skip trace them, it's easy to find them. As a rule of thumb, there are 90% properties owned by individual, 10% owned by an investment company, LLC, corporation, investment groups. Here, we have a lot of selections on the bottom, but don't worry about this one. All you have to do is select, for example, the records for the past 6 months. If you want more data, go for the past 12 months. Whatever you choose here, going forward, the system will track your type of properties and it will tell you exactly what is going on. And as soon as a new record comes, it will notify you. We are looking at 300 different types of properties in step 4. And for example, now, if you want an apartment building, duplex, triplex, land, help yourself. You can select, for example, single-family residences. There are 470 of them. Now, all I have to do is save and check out, and my list is created here. Click on the export and select to confirm. The list is being generated, and when this list is ready, you can download it either from here, or a copy of this list is going to be sent to Data Manager. Data Manager is really a data stack. It stacks every file. It has the ability to look at all of your data and tell you how many of the records of these properties are in a system in another file. Now, I did this search earlier, and look what it's telling me. It's telling me there is another file just like this with 352 records that are duplicate, which is exactly what I brought. In fact, this search had 366 records. The other one has 352 of them, but 352 of these records from here are included in the list right here. Now, we can take this further. For example, we can combine multiple lists together. If we want to create a mailing list, we are able to check to see if there is duplicate record between multiple files. And at the same time, we can look at this data to see if there's any duplicate record within the list. For example, by opening the data enhancer, it's telling us there is 14 properties that have the same mailing address. Maybe an individual owns 14 properties and he's losing all those properties. With one click, we can remove the duplicates, and all the deleted records are always in your account. We want to take all of these records from here and push this data or send a copy of this thing to Triple Dollar. To do that, we're going to select every record here, and we're going to tell the system, add all of these records to the dialer. So let's go right here, and we're going to see Burlington Pre-Foreclosure Notices. Okay. A copy is going to be sent from Data Manager to Triple Dialer. If we go to Triple Dialer, Files, we're going to see our file is right here waiting for us, 352 records. Now, we can escape trace this entire file for a nominal fee of $52, 15 cents a record. We can get up to 5 numbers and 3 email addresses. The quality is excellent. Or we can open this file in the Triple Dialer and we can see what is this data made out of. With one click, we can see, aha, look, Zillow is telling us the property is in foreclosure. Amazing how fast and updated our records are. Usually Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, and multiple listing services, we all get updated at the same time. You are not going to miss any opportunities. Let's look at this record one more time. If we want to skip trace an individual record, we can do it with one click right here. As easy as that, 15 cents. And here are the phone number and email addresses for that property. Remember, this property is at early stage of foreclosure. You have plenty of time to work these deals. You have any questions, any concerns, by all means, give us a call. We provide you with online demo like this just for you. Just give us a call and we'll walk you through the data. If you like this video, you'll find more videos like it on my channel. We hear this from people all the time, but those little mouse clicks will go a long way to help me in the algorithm. So please click the little thumb guide. Please subscribe and help yourself with all my tools linked in the description. These are tools me and my teams have developed over the years, tools I wish I had when I started in real estate. Thank you for watching and have a great day.